Hello children, I am Rupesh Chaudhary. Children, what are emotions? We all feel sometimes angry, sometimes we feel sad, and sometimes we feel happy. But sometimes we also feel like crying. Let's see in this poem what the author suggests to do after soak your pillow with tears. Let us see the poem Crying. Crying only a little bit is no use. You must cry until your pillow is soaked. Then you can jump in the shower and splash, splash, splash. Then you can throw open your window and ha 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 ha. And his people say, hey, what's going on up there? Ha ha. Sing back. Happiness was hiding in the last year. I wept it. Ha ha. Children, let us see the Hindi translation. This poem. Crying only a little bit is no use. You must cry until your pillow is soaked. थोड़ा थोड़ा रोने का कोई फायदा नहीं. तुम्हें रोना इतना चाहिए कि तकिया भीग जाए. Then you can jump in the shower and splash splash splash. फिर तुम पानी में छलांग मार सकोगे और छप छप छप. Then you can throw open your window. फिर तुम अपनी खिड़की खोलो. And ha 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 और ha 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 ha. And his people say, hey, what's going on up there? और अगर लोग बोले, देखो वहाँ क्या चल रहा है. Ha ha, sing back. Happiness was hiding in the last year. I wept it. Ha ha. उन्हें गाना सुनाओ. खुशी अंतिम आंसू में बसी थी, वह मैंने बहा दिया है. Ha ha. Summary of this poem. The poem states that it is of no use to whimper and cry a little. कविता में बताया गया है कि ठुनकने या थोड़े थोड़े आंसू बहाने का कोई फायदा नहीं है. Children must shower their tears till their pillow gets filled heavily with tears and then they can jump on it. बच्चों को तब तक रोना चाहिए जब तक उसका तकिया आंसुओं से पूरा भर न जाए और फिर वे उस पर कूद सकते हैं. It will be a fun to do it. ऐसा करने में उन्हें मजा आएगा. When they would open the window, people may get amazed seeing these activities, but you should sing the song of happiness. खिड़की खोलने पर कोई उनकी इन गतिविधियों को देखकर लोग चकित हो सकते हैं, परंतु तुम्हें खुशी के गीत गाने चाहिए. You should tell them that there was happiness hidden in the last year. तुम्हें उनसे कहना चाहिए कि तुम्हें आखिरी आंसू बहाने में बहुत मजा आया है. Let us see the word meaning. Soak meaning completely wet, भीग जाना. Shower sprinkling water, बौछार, फुहार. Wept cried, रो लेना. Let us see the questions answered. Let's read page number 60. According to the poet, should you cry a little or should you cry a lot? Answer. According to the poet, crying little is of no use. You must cry till your pillow is soaked. Question number 2. What can you do after crying a lot? Answer is, after crying a lot, you can jump in the shower and play. Question number 3. Read the first two lines of the poem. Is the mood happy, sad, angry, jealous, upset? Answer is sad. Next, in the last few lines, the mood of the poet has changed. What is it now? Very happy, angry, cheerful, sad, jealous. Answer is very happy. Question number 4. Are these sentences right or wrong? First, F for wrong and T for correct. Number 1. The poet says you must not cry much. Wrong. The poet says that you should cry till your pillow is soaked. Right. Number 3. The poet says that after crying you should open the window and laugh so that people will see that you are happy. Correct. The poet says that you should open the window and show people that you are crying. This sentence wrong, means false. Question number 5. Which are the things that make you happy? In what ways do you show your happiness? Answer is you feel own and to write the answer. I feel happy when I get different toys in gifts, chocolates, when I get good marks in my unit test, when I eat my favorite food, when my grandparents tell me stories. I show my happiness by smiling, by kissing my parents, mom, and by telling all of them the reason of my happiness. Thank you.